They won't provide the raw power and low temps of an air conditioner, but window fans can still provide an impressive amount of air circulation. Designed to fit securely into your existing window frame, these handy machines are a great alternative to bulky box fans that take up valuable floor space and are simple to set up and install. There are many products available to choose window fans, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best window fans from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best lightweight option. Comfort Zone CZ310R window fan. The convenient circulation setting on this Comfort Zone model propels each of the two fans in a different direction, removing stale air and replacing it with a fresh outdoor supply. A single control button allows you to easily scroll through its 3 speeds, and the included remote lets you control the entire unit from across the room. Its accordion expanders are designed to fit frames from 23.5 to 37 inches wide, which is sufficient for the majority of residential windows. The removable screen is a nice feature, reducing the chances of bugs or flies entering through the opening. For affordable price, weighs under 7 pounds, considered the most powerful model. Number 2. Best exhaust fan. Sileflow exhaust shutter fan, capable of moving 294 cubic feet of air per minute. The power of this fan makes it well suited for areas with serious exhaust needs, like steamy bathrooms, stuffy attics, or even smoky rooms. The 4 louve's on the rear of the unit remain closed when the fan is not in use, and they also help block debris or insects from getting inside. While this model gets an average 4.2-star average user rating from more than 1,400 customers, buyers say it's not particularly easy to mount in a window on its own, so you may need to get creative and build a wooden frame to secure it in place. That said, its light 4.24-pound weight makes the mounting process a bit easier, though. PROS 1100 RPMs. Be simple. PERATIONCONS 40 decibels. Noise level may be too loud for bedroom use, may need additional framing for secure fit. Number 3. Best budget. Comfort Zone CZ310R 3-speed 3-function expandable reversible twin window fan. The Comfort Zone CZ310R 3-speed 3-function expandable reversible twin window fan is a great affordable option for anyone living in a smaller space and looking for portability. Our tester noted the display is easy to use and understand, with 3 different fan speed settings, plus cool, exhaust, and circulate function settings. Although this fan may not have a strong cooling rate in a larger room, its price and multi-function options make it a reasonable buy for especially unbearable summer temperatures. This fan also has a handle and can be easily moved from one location to another, our tester noted. While it does come with feet, our tester said they were very flimsy. What we like: bug and humidity screens, multi-function modes, literature control, included what we don't like: close speed, no detectable airflow past 6 feet. Number 4. Best cooling. Pioneer window fan with twin 8.5-in. Reversible airflow blades and remote control. For a window fan that works hard around the clock, check out this Pioneer window fan. A digital display shows the exact temperature of your room and can be programmed to your ideal temperature. Once programmed, this fan will automatically adjust its cooling power to remain at your desired temperature. A separate remote control makes it easy to control this fan from anywhere in the same room, without having to adjust the buttons on the unit. The airflow on this window fan can also be adjusted to direct air into your home, out of your home, or circulate air throughout. While this fan is a long-lasting model, be careful not to drop it or force it into a window frame, because the plastic frame is not super strong. What we like: auto adjusts temperature, remote control, included electronically reversible blades. What we don't like: poor customer support, keep plastic frame. Number 5. Best quiet. Vornado Transom 3.35-in. The 4-speed low-profile window fan. If you're looking for a low-profile, quiet window fan for a bedroom or living room, check out the Vornado Transom window fan. This fan has a 46 decibel rating, which means that it's comparable to the average quiet of a library. In addition to its quiet operation, this window fan has an auto-adjusting temperature setting, 4 fan speeds, and 3 airflow settings. This window fan also has a soft fit system that prevents any elements from leaking into your home while the fan is installed in the window. A 5-year warranty also offers plenty of protection against potential malfunctions or system failures. While we love the low-profile design and the digital display on this window fan, the weather-tight extension blocks provided can be challenging to set up. What we like: low-profile DESIGN 4-speed SCTTI NGS 5-year warranty, weather-resistant seal. What we don't like: difficult to install. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.